Okay, so we're going to work on a submission move on the ground, and in the street it's way different because there's biting, eye gouging. These are things that people don't think about. People that don't think about this have never been bit or had their eye gouged or been fish hooked or had somebody pull a weapon on them. It's just the way it is. This is not sport fighting, so I'm very limited to what moves I can do. For instance, if I'm here with Brittany and we're on the ground and I'm pulling her down, she can bite me, she can bite my arms, I can gouge her eye, she can gouge my eye. Okay, if I'm gonna go for like triangles, okay, things like this, there's slams. She can bite me, she can gouge my eyes, she can move to the side. Okay, so there's very few submissions that I can go after here where I'm safe. Even arm bars, okay? If I'm gonna torque around, what can she do here? She can bite my leg. She can stack me, but mainly bite my leg. Okay, all right? So, what submissions are safe? You gotta start checking, crossing submissions off the list. I'm gonna show you one of my favorites from here. So I have Brittany. Now I can gouge Brittany's eyes. I can loop forward. Now I'm gonna immediately pull here, okay? Now, we're in what we call the Oma Plata. Now I don't necessarily have to tweak here and try to submit and finish the move, which would be here. I can actually just let go, get out. There's so many ways to do this, but one of the ways is just get the eyes, okay? I turn my hip out, bringing this up. By grabbing the leg, torquing my hip, I can bring here like I'm faking for arm bar. I want to be quick because I can get bit here. And I'm looping around, dropping my weight forward. Here is not the way I want to finish the move. I have to get her arm here. And I tweak my hips here and start to lean forward. I have to be quick here. Bites, knives, we have knives in our pockets, we both do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'm getting here, bring it around, okay, looping this arm. Why am I here? Because I'm safe from eye gouges, biting. I can see weapons, if there's weapons, okay? I can get up to my feet.